Welcome to Virtual Office Training. Today we will learn how to make hyperlink in worksheet. Just go to the worksheet and there are three sheets: menu sheets, employee name and cell chart. In menu sheet I want to create a rectangular box and make this box as a hyperlink. When I click employee name box, then it will go to the employee name, and when I click cell chart box, then it will go to the cell chart sheet. Let's draw a rectangular box. Go to the insert tab and you will find shape, and you can select rectangle and draw a rectangle here. And make this rectangle as a 3D. You can go to the shape effect and go to the bevel and click circle. You can make it rectangle duplicate. Just right click here and copy and right click and paste here. Just select this box and press right click and go to the edit text and type employee name and make it center, and click other rectangular box and click right and select edit text and type cells chart. Now you can create a hyperlink of this box. Just select employee name rectangular box and go to the insert and click hyperlink. Then you will find bookmark. Just click bookmark. Then you can select the sheet name here. It's an employee name sheet. When I click this box, then it goes to the employee name sheet. OK and OK, and select other box and go to the insert and click hyperlink. Go to the bookmark and select cell chart and OK. Now when you click employee name table, it directly goes to the employee name sheet. When I click cell chart, it will go to the cell chart sheet. Hope this tip will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.